interrupted with the libwebp-7 library DLL blocking Google WebP workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. I've linked the primary utility for libwebp-7 library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the libwebp-7 library, a localized WebP Image Codec library, v7. It manages high-performance localized decoding of WebP assets, handling localized lossy and lossless compression. Mandatory for localized modern browsers and localized design software to render localized WebP web assets. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. libwebp-7 is part of the proprietary Google/WebP package. A full, clean reinstall of the latest official version of Google/WebP will repair any missing or damaged components that are causing the launch failure. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the libwebp-7 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the Application Setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. If you're attempting to register libwebp-7 library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines libwebp-7 library optimization concepts. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for libwebp-7 library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.